everyone. So today I have handpicked these two super gorgeous semi-tussar silk drapes for you guys. As you can see, I have got two of it. Both are of the similar type. They are both semi-tussar silk saris, and they have zeri border. As you can see, both are almost similar. The only difference the only difference of these two saris is that one has a printed body. These three prints are there on the body, it's completely printed, and the other one has a plain body with this printed border. It has, the border is this thick with the printed border and along with the zeri. Okay, so this sari has a smaller border which is only with the zeri and this patterning. The entire body is with this tree print. That's the only difference between these two saris. The color is exactly the same, the print compo is the same, the palla is the same, blouse piece is also the same. So now as you can see, both the saris have this super gorgeous tissue weaved pallu with a zigzag patterning. So as you can see, I'm sure you can see in the video, the color of the zeri might change because of the angle in which I'm holding. At certain frames it comes out right. So it's a beautiful golden zeried palla. And the blouse piece is also in zigzag. I'll just open this out for you. Now this sari, as you can see, has that body with the tree print, and then there is this beautiful zeri weaving. Just before the palla starts, there is this thick zeri weaving also given, and the palla, as I showed you, let me just take you to the blouse piece. So here you go, this is the blouse of the sari, similar to that of the palla. It's a zigzag blouse piece matching to the pallu. So that's this beautiful drape, which has a beautiful combination of that zeri, and the color is absolutely gorgeous. This sari is also same. I just want to show you how it looks. Apart from the other one, this has a plain body with a printed border. As you can see, the palla is also same as that of before. So this is the palla, okay, with a zigzag design, and there is also a small zeri weaving given. So that's the sari for you guys. These two saris are super gorgeous, a perfect party wear, occasion wear, a beautiful gift to your loved ones. Anyone who loves wearing such prints and colors, this is a beautiful gift. So these are your saris for today, one in a printed body, the other one in a plain body with a printed design. If you ask me to choose from the two, it's going to be very difficult because each of it is so beautiful in its own way. So you can check the picture postings and also get back to me to know the price, and if you would like to do your booking. Don't miss these guys, very pretty add-on to your wardrobe collections. Thank you, take care, bye.